How to sync game progress in Legend Fighter. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Syncing your game progress helps protect your account and lets you restore your progress if you switch devices or reinstall the game. So first of all, in order to sync your game progress, open the Legend Fighter Mortal Battle game on your device, and once you're inside the main menu, go to the top left and tap on the gear button. After you do this, this will open the settings menu. Click on Account Settings on the left. Now, make sure that you are logged in with your Google account in order to sync the data. If you haven't done that yet, make sure that you are logged in. Sign in with your Google account's credentials, and once you do that, you'll see this Sync Data option. Now, whenever you want to sync your data or save your progress manually, you can come to this page and click on the Sync Data button, and all of your progress will be saved. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.